Hey guys, my name is Gaurav. Welcome back for another episode of Tech News. And before we get back into today's Tech News episodes, here's a cool fun fact for you guys. According to the MIT researchers, this is the world's toughest tongue twister. That is, pad kid poured curd pulled cold. Try this and let me know in the comments how many times you could say this without breaking. If you're new around this channel, please make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Reliance Industries chairman and managing director Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani at the 43rd general meeting announced that Reliance Jio and Google has partnered up to make an Android-based OS which will support 5G just for affordable smartphone devices. After providing affordable 4G smartphones in the form of JioPhone which were powered by KaiOS, Reliance Jio is now set to launch their new range of devices which are going to be supporting 5G. Meanwhile, Google has announced that they are going to be investing rupees 33,737 crores in Jio platforms. This investment by Google values Jio's equity shares to be over 4.36 lakh crores. Since Google and Jio are partnering up to make an Android OS which is going to be coming in the form of Jio phone which is going to be supporting 5G, I'm pretty excited to see how the phone and the OS is going to be turning out. Twitter accounts of several prominent verified users were hacked in the Bitcoin scam. The official accounts of Barack Obama, Kanye West, Kim Kardashian, Elon Musk, Bill Gates and a lot of other celebrities were hacked, including brands such as Apple, Uber were among the list of all the users that were hacked in this scam. All the tweets shared one of three Bitcoin addresses which belonged to an organization called as Crypto for Health. There were over 373 transactions that happened when all of the people saw these tweets. 373 people invested in them and it totaled an amount of 12.86 Bitcoins, which converted into dollars is $118,300. But then when you convert it to Indian currency, it is over 89 lakhs. Twitter briefly blocked access to all the verified users as the first step. Twitter said that they were aware of the situation and they're trying to fix this issue as soon as possible. Since they have blocked all the verified users globally, it can be solved. People with huge following amount and not being verified might be feeling happy and safe because they were not hacked into this scam and might be feeling lucky right now. RealMe confirmed plans earlier this week for super ultra fast charging, and an executive that was hinting at 125 watt super fast charging. Now that RealMe has officially confirmed that they are going to be coming with a 125 watt fast charging support for their smartphone. More specifically, they have stated that by using this charging method, you can go from 0 to 33% while charging a 4000 mAh battery in just 3 minutes. Check this video out. RealMe did not confirm how long this technology will charge their devices completely to 100%, but they have said that it comes with PPS, USB PD and Qualcomm's fast charging support protocols. And since we know that RealMe is going to be releasing a new 5G smartphone next month, I'm pretty sure that this phone is going to be coming with a 125 watt fast charging support in the box. This was all for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new around here, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.